In this video, I'm going to guide you through how to download Poppy Playtime Chapter 3. First things first, open your web browser on your computer. Firstly, make sure you have the Steam application installed on your computer. Steam is like a big online store for games. If you don't have it yet, you can easily download it by visiting the Steam website and clicking on the Install Steam button. If you're new to Steam, you'll need to sign up for an account. Click on the Sign Up button and follow the prompts to create your account. If you already have a Steam account, you can skip this step and proceed to the next. Once you have Steam installed and your account set up, open the application. You'll be greeted with the Steam interface, which is like a big digital store full of games to explore. Now, go to the search bar located at the top right corner of the screen. This is where you can type in the name of the game you want. Type in Poppy Playtime Chapter 3 into the search bar and hit enter. This will bring up the search results for the game, showing you everything related to it that's available on Steam. Click on the game's icon or title to open its store page. Here, you'll find information about the game, screenshots, reviews, and most importantly, the Add to Cart button. Click on the Add to Cart button. This will add the game to your shopping cart. Now, click on the shopping cart icon at the top right corner of the screen. You'll be taken to your shopping cart, where you can review the items you're about to purchase. Here, you can make sure you have everything you want before you buy it. If everything looks good, click on the Purchase for Myself button to proceed with the purchase. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction, which may include entering your payment information. Once the purchase is complete, you'll be directed to the game downloading screen. Here, you'll see the progress of the download as it's being downloaded onto your computer. This might take a little while depending on how fast your internet is. Once the download is finished, the game will be available in your Steam library. You can access it by clicking on the Library tab at the top of the Steam interface. Your library is like your personal collection of games, and this is where you can find and play them whenever you want. Find Poppy Playtime Chapter 3 in your library, and simply click on the Play button to start the game. That's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Bye-bye.